Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a spirit. One day, a farmer passed by and saw the ghost. He became frightened and hurried to tell the king what he had seen. The king's wife then called for a witch. The witch came to the palace, thought for a while, and came up with an idea. She told the king about her plan. The witch went to the pond, searched for the ghost, took out a bottle, and performed an exorcism to trap the ghost inside it. Then she threw the bottle into the sea. The people of the kingdom were very happy. But the bottle floated across the sea and was eventually found by a young girl. That kid tried to open the bottle, and she managed to open it. Suddenly, a ghost appeared and entered her soul. She went to the palace, but she had the face of the farmer. One day, they decided to go to the temple. However, the ghost inside the farmer couldn't enter. When he touched the temple, he turned back into a ghost. The witch understood everything. She took a boat and performed an exorcism on the ghost. She sailed to a magical place and opened the bottle there. But she couldn't handle its power, so the great witch who lived there came to help her. He cast a powerful spell and stopped her.